Guys, so we stop down.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Well, that concludes the current CES live coverage right now. I know some of you guys are having problems with the stream. John here is working on it. He's not having much luck either on that. We can't figure it out either. So, yeah, so we're going to go ahead and play the TNT from earlier for now, and then we will be back for, is it Showstoppers? Showstoppers at 7 o'clock in about 40 minutes. So for now, we got TNT. We just get that set up.
He did that.
Oops. All right. Any luck, John?
I think it's coming up.
You think it's coming up? All right. So hopefully that'll get going, and we'll see you in 40 minutes. Adios.